Hey, and thanks for joining me. This is part 2 of making a handle for a ferro rod. In the previous video, I took a blank, fashioned it to what you see here, and drilled a hole. The line you see here on the bottom is what I'm about to saw off, and this will cut the handle to the appropriate length. This bottom piece, I'm going to set it aside for later. I'll be carving a lanyard bead out of it. No matter what type of handle, it's always a good idea just to try fit and see how it fits in your hand. Just do this continuously as you work on it so you can make whatever adjustments necessary. I'll need to thin it out just a little bit more with my axe, so I'm about to draw some guiding lines for that. Time for some more axe work. I'll be using my Gransfors Brux wildlife hatchet. You'll notice that it has a little bit of a sweep on one side. This is intentional as I want it to fit comfortably in the hand. Redrawing the center lines as I go. And now I'll be drawing the lines to follow for the facets. So this will be an octagonal handle. It will be 8-sided. And I love when my own handles have these flat sides to them. It just feels really great to grip on. So I used to try to carve facets free-handed, and it never really quite worked out the way I wanted it to. Drawing these guiding lines helps a lot because you know where to stop. And you can keep redrawing these facet lines as you carve. It will help keep things crisp and clean. Now you could of course use your knife for this next step, but the axe is going to make things a lot easier because this is very dry wood. So all of the axe work and rough shaping is done at this point. I'm just checking to see how it feels in the hand. And I'll be doing another dry fit here to see if the ferro rod lines up straight inside of its hole. So it looks good and it feels good to grip onto. It could actually be done right now if you wanted a crude handle, but we're going to make it a little bit more refined in the next video, where we will be doing some knife carving. So make sure you subscribed and stay tuned for the next video. I'm having a lot of fun making these, and take care.